Alright guys, so this video what we're going to do is we're going to loop through every single element here, and we're going to add a function of onClick. So before we start that, let's do something else. We're gonna create an array and we're gonna call it var albums selected, right? Album selected, and then we're gonna say it's just an empty array. So 2 brackets, right? And then we're gonna declare var I equals 0. Oops. Var I equals 0. And then now we're gonna do our while loop. So what we're gonna say is while I is less than, we're gonna get albums, right? Albums length, so we could actually know how many albums are there. So albums length, right? So while I is less than albums length, console log I, and then I plus plus. All right, let's see if that runs. And we don't have any problem. Okay, we got 0, 1, 2, 3. All right, so we console log the I. So for every single one here, it has an index. I hope you guys remember what the index is. It's just a place inside of the array. Like right now, Jay-Z is 0, 1, 2, 3. All right. So if we wanted to get information from, let's say, Kanye West College Dropout, we will say albums, right? And then we will come here and say something like this, albums, and then let's say albums 1, and then albums 1, and that will have the information of College Dropout, which is Kanye West album. All right, so let me save this. Cool. So now we have this here. What we're going to say is we're gonna do something like this. We're gonna say albums, right? And we're gonna say brackets, and we're gonna put I, and then we're gonna say onClick equals function. Then here we're gonna say console log clicked an album. All right. So if we come here and we click console, right? We come back, click on the album. It's gonna say clicked an album. All right. So we just added that function, right, to every single element. Whenever we click it on any of these, right, automatically this function that we added to that element is going to say console log clicked an album. Now we can put anything here. We can make an alert. We can make another styles of like changing the whole background or whatever we want. But for now, what we're going to do is we're going to do this. We're going to actually come here and say var albums title, and we're going to say this dot query selector, right? And then we're going to look at the title, which is here on the album. It says title, class title, right? So inside of this element of the album, there's actually another div with the class title. So we want to target that. So we're gonna say query selector title, and then we're gonna want the text content. All right. So what we're doing is we have this div. Remember this, right? Remember the box model, right? We have this div, and then inside of it, we have other information in here. We have an image, we have a div with a class title, we have a div with the class artist. So now, when we say this, we're actually talking about this element, whatever element we actually clicked on. So when we click on something, we're not talking about all the other ones. We're just talking about this one when we click it, right? So that's what's happening. We're saying, hey, this element, right, inside of it, search for another query selector that has title, basically another div inside of it that has title, and then give me the text content inside of that. So we have the album, right? We have the title, and then we have the text content. So that's the information that we're getting right now. Okay, so let's run that, but let's actually display it here. We're gonna say album title. Sorry, delete this. All right. Now, when we do that, let's go to console log. Everything should be fine. We click here. Click an album. Sometimes this thing be acting up, so make sure you save and then run. Come back here. Click there. It says college dropout. All right. Hey guys, it's your boy Joe back at it again. Guys, this video that you just saw is actually part of my course, Future Proof JavaScript. Listen, guys, you're gonna learn JavaScript the right way, the money way, the easy way, the way that you're going to understand it. I know you tried Team Treehouse, I know you tried Udemy, and I'm making it easy for anybody who wants to get better with JavaScript or people who are just starting from scratch. Right? So you have the course here, man. Check it out. You would not only go from CodingPhase.com, but you will go directly from the link that's on my description, which will give you a 50% off automatically. 50% off original price, right? And if you're really, really smart with it, you will actually do the all access pass, right? For $10, right? And that's what I would do, man. For $10, get access to all the courses. You can't go wrong, guys. All right, so I'll see you guys around.